Good morning, grade 8. So into this video I will teach you how to find the equation of a line in standard form given the x and y intercept. Okay, so when you are dealing with the equation of a line in standard form, so meaning what is required by the problem is your final answer must be of the form ex plus by equal to c. So this is the standard form of a linear equation. So equal to c. So the equation of a line using the x and y intercept is simply x all over the x intercept a plus y all over the y-intercept small b is equal to 1. So meaning this x-intercept is simply your a, while this y-intercept is simply your small b. So we will now substitute. So if we will substitute now a and b, so a is negative 2 over 5. So x all over the negative of 2 over 5. So negative 2 over 5. Okay, plus y all over negative 5 equal to 1. Okay, so since this is a complex fraction, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the LCD of the numerator and the denominator. So your numerator here is x, while the denominator is negative 2 over 5. So what is the LCD of the numerator and the denominator? So since you are only dealing with the 5, so that is already your LCD. Okay, so if the LCD is 5, then multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Multiply this by 5, multiply this by 5. Okay, so you cancel 5 here. So this one becomes 5x all over negative 2. Okay, plus y all over negative 5 equal to 1. Okay, so to remove fraction here, we simply multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the LCD. What is the LCD of negative 2 and negative 5? So the LCD is simply equal to 10. So multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. So the LCD is 10. So if the LCD is 10, then multiply the left side by 10. Multiply also the right side by 10. Okay, so you apply now distributive property. So you can cancel here 2. So this is now equal to 5. 5 times 5, 25. So 25x over negative. So simply this is negative 1. So 25x over negative 1 is negative 25x. The other one is if you distribute. Okay, so next is if you multiply the 10 with this, you will just simply cancel the negative 5. So if you cancel the negative 5, then 10 divided negative 5 is simply negative 2. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Okay, so negative 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so the answer now is negative 25x minus 2y is equal to 10. So this is now in standard form. So that is already the required equation. Now we can also find the equivalent equation by simply changing all the sign of the terms. So we change negative 25 into 25x, negative 2y into positive 2y, then equal to 10. Okay, so the y-intercept is negative 5. So the y-intercept is simply the value of x, the value of y when x is equal to 0. So negative 25x minus, so we forgot to change this into negative. So the final equation now is simply 25x plus 2y equal to negative 10. Okay, so that is the equivalent equation. So any of the two is a final answer. Okay, next, number 2. The x-intercept is 5 and the y-intercept is negative 2 over 7. So x over a, x all over a, which is equal to 5. Okay, plus y all over b, which is equal to negative 2 over 7, equal to 1. Okay, so x over 5 okay, we will change this now into single fraction because this is a complex fraction because the denominator contains fraction. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the LCD 7. So multiply this by 7, multiply this by 7. So resulting to 7y all over negative 2 is equal to 1. Now to skip fraction, we just simply multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCD of 5 and 2 here is simply equal to 10. So multiply this by 10, the left side, and multiply also the right side by 10. So resulting to cancel 5 here, so it becomes 2 times x equal to 2x. Then next is multiply 10 with 7y over negative 2. So if we cancel their negative 2, then this becomes negative 5. Negative 5 times 7y is negative 35y equal to 10. So as you notice here, if we equate y equal to 0, x equal to 5, which is equal to your x-intercept. Now if x equal to 0, then 10 over 35 by 5, 2 over 7, negative. So that is also your y-intercept. Therefore, the equation now of the linear equation with x-intercept 5 and y-intercept negative 2 over 7 is simply equal to 2x minus 35y equal to 10. Okay, you can just change the sign of each term to get the equivalent equation, which is equal to negative 2x plus 35y is equal to negative 10. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget also to share the video. Thank you.